Utilizing Data Cloud for Salesforce admins. As a Salesforce admin, you must master data management. It is key to maximizing your CRM's potential. The Data Cloud is a game changer. It offers tools to streamline workflows and boost efficiency. This video is about how Salesforce admins can use the Data Cloud. Seamless data integration. Good data integration is key to a successful Salesforce implementation. The Data Cloud lets you combine data from various sources. It creates a unified view that empowers your Salesforce system. Integrating diverse datasets keeps your CRM up to date and ready for business needs. Optimize data management. Efficient data management is essential for maintaining a high-performing Salesforce environment. The Data Cloud simplifies your data's organization and categorization. Makes it easy to find and analyze the information you need. Tailored Salesforce customization. The Data Cloud's flexibility lets Salesforce admins customize their CRMs. It can meet specific business needs. The Data Cloud has the tools to customize Salesforce. Use it to create custom fields, design workflows, and generate reports. Leveraging cloud computing. Cloud computing has changed data management. Salesforce admins lead this shift. The Data Cloud gives you scalable resources and automatic updates. It also has better collaboration tools. Comprehensive data reporting. Detailed reports are vital. They track performance and find improvement opportunities in your Salesforce system. The Data Cloud simplifies reporting. You can create custom reports. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Data Cloud is a powerful ally for Salesforce admins. It offers many benefits, including better data management, security, and customization. Embrace the Data Cloud. It will boost your Salesforce skills and help your organization succeed.